waters.
Oh, but there is. It's down in the boiler room.
It's absolutely real.
I heard it ain't Miss Johnson.
I heard it is Miss Johnson.
I heard that.
Look, your building's water heater has been broken for months. Without hot water, that guy can't shave. That guy can't shower. I think that guy's dead.
I just have right there.
See? It needs fixing, and I'm the fella to fix it.
You are so great, Jiffy.
Well, I'll be back in a jiffy.
Boiler room.
Monster. Oh, swell.
See? We understand if you want to quit.
Oh, no. I just forgot some tools. Yeah, that's it, tools. Yeah, I just need this, and this, and these.
Ooh.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a boiler to fix.
Plumbing.
So go in here and it will be our beating. Horse girl.
Whoa, hey, knock it off in there.
Changed my mind. Keep beating.
Monster! It's all in my head. Alrighty then. Off to fix that water.
Oh no. Eyes closed. Screaming skull. Pop.
Nice.
Weep. That monster has ended. Bing.
Oh, Mickey, you're my hero.
I told you I'd fix it.
That's great, because I have something else that needs fixing.